Hello everyone, this is Faisal. So I was in Madrid recently. I was there for the Huawei launch, and in Madrid I actually met the GOAT of marathon running. That's Eliud Kipchoge. Eliud is a humble person. He's the brand ambassador for Huawei, and he launched this watch, the Huawei Watch GT Runner 2. Which brings me to this video. I've got an exciting competition for you. Eliud was recently in South Africa for the Cape Town Marathon, and thanks to a dear friend, he managed to sign a shoe for me. In this competition, you have a chance to win two prizes. The first prize is this signed shoe by Eliud Kipchoge. You can see his signature clearly there. Check this out, guys. Right? And the second prize is the new Huawei Band 11 Pro. So two prizes up for grabs. The main prize of the shoe signed by Eliud Kipchoge, the GOAT, the greatest marathon runner, and also a Huawei Band 11 Pro. So what do you have to do to enter the competition? It's simple. Go to my website, wired2tech.co.za. Competition rules are there. All the details of how you can enter is on there. And the competition opens up at 3 p.m. this afternoon. Without wasting any time, get to the website and enter, and who knows, you could be the lucky winner of this shoe signed by Eliud, or you could win this Huawei Band 11 Pro. Wishing you guys all the best and looking forward to the next competition.